Alright, we've just taken a taxi here to the center of Varna, and we're at the central park, small little park area known as Sevastopol. If you know who this is, let me know in the comments. Got a bit of a flower market there. Bulgaria is famous for its roses and rose production, for perfumes and things like that. I believe they have a statue of Mahatma Gandhi. Is that Gandhi? It is. Our taxi driver said to head down the main pedestrian road, which is up ahead, and then we'll find the cathedral. Nice place to visit, according to him. And yeah, we'll be right back. Okay, we just got stopped in the middle of the street here for a photo, and they're printing out a newspaper with us.
And 2 pictures.
With us on it. Cool. Is it free?
Your price you decide. It's like a donation.
It's a donation.
Yeah.
Ah, okay. Well, I need to stop my video if I'm going to do that. So hold on to that, please. And yeah, we'll see you in a bit. Okay, we haven't found the cathedral yet, but it's a bit further down this road. Ah, yeah, they have the Roman baths, they have the sea garden, the archaeological museum. I hope I find some time to visit all of those. Alright, this is St. Nicholas Church here in Varna. We'll take a look inside right away and enjoy what we see there. Built in 1865. Peter, as he started doubting. That was a lovely church to look at with all their icons. Make sure to remove your hat when you enter though. I didn't know that. I have no idea who this is, so if you know, please comment. Alright, we're here in one of the squares, and right in front of us is the opera, the theater. Beautiful old building. Down the street is the cathedral, which we'll look at right away. Then you still have some communist era buildings, probably the city hall right there, I would assume. modern buildings, obviously, but still some that are maybe pre-communist times that need a little bit of renovation work done. Hey, mutts. Lots of stray dogs here in Varna. They're just chilling though. Here we have the regional courthouse in Varna, and there's something going on here today because we've got some police outside. Somebody was protesting. There was some whistleblowing here just a minute ago. Alright, if you're looking for fresh fruits and vegetables, you can find them here in open air market near the cathedral here in Varna. Strawberries look fabulous. We've had some and they're very tasty, I must say. Yeah, everything you would expect and need in fresh produce is available here. Make sure you check it out next time you're in Varna. Alright, the Mother of God Cathedral is across the street, and to get there we have to go through a tunnel, and that's what we're going to do right now. It takes us under the street. Alright, we're going to go inside right away. Okay, we'll take a quick look inside the cathedral. This time I will remove my hat in time.